Welcome to F1 Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this arm. Sometimes very tight, like stick inside very tight. It's very hard to open. Let me show you. There's a tool that has, just put the tool in, take it off. If you don't have a tool, just open the nut like this. After you open it out, usually it's not gonna come. Oh, it's coming out. It's not gonna come out. It's so tight. So what do you do? Like, take this, like one of the socket, like fit in here. No, be careful, don't mess up the thread. It should be out of the thread, like this. Then take the hammer, like tap little by little, tap little by little. Yes. Now you can take it easily. Take this out easily. When you put it back, make sure you see that there's a groove right there. In here there's a groove too. So don't mess this groove. If you mess this one, you need to change this whole motor too. When you put it in, just don't put it in like this. Make it straight. This one has to be straight like this. Straight. Straight like this. And put evenly like this. After that, you tie the knot. So be careful. Don't tie it like this. Like this, you're gonna mess the thread. It has to be even like this. Has to be even right there. Tie it up. So guys, that's how you change your stock windshield wiper arm. Thanks for watching, guys.